Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button or follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content at Bailey.s. I feel like with all the travel, it's just been hectic to get this video edited and up. But basically, today's video is going to be kind of like just watching me organize and put stuff in my closet. So I built my closet basically from scratch, I guess you'd say. I did the floors. Me and my dad did the floors ourselves from Floor & Decor is where we got it from. And then all of the closet, like the whole closet system is from IKEA. It's the pack system. And I kind of like pieced it together. That was a separate video of me putting it together. So if you want to watch that first, that's already up on my channel. But this video is basically me putting the clothes in the closet, organizing, and yeah, sure. Also guys, I now have a code with Hydro Jug. I love Hydro Jug and I've been wanting a code with them so bad. So code Bailey.s will actually save you money on your Hydro Jug. The Traveler is the only cup I use now. It's a 10 out of 10. Like, you can pop the straw down, whereas with the Simple Modern and the Stanleys, you can't do that, which was a pain in the butt because then I wouldn't be able to toss it in my bag and my hand's usually full. And then you can also toss it in your gym bag and it does not leak. Keeps my eyes cold. And this is the color block color. It's like blue with this light blue. I have way too many of these, but I'm so excited that I finally have a code. Like, this video isn't sponsored. I just have a code. If you want to try it out, the Traveler's my favorite bottle that they have. And again, code Bailey.s will save you money. So yeah, I realized I hadn't filmed an intro for this video. So I was like, I don't want to randomly just start the video where I'm like immediately organizing it because it was confusing. But that's what we're doing today. That's what you're gonna see. Just keep watching. Okay, so this is all my Amplify. There's stuff on the floor as well. The floor's clean, don't you guys worry. I'm just trying to figure out, I keep going back and forth on if I want to hang my Amplify here or just all my other leggings and shorts and stuff, because I just feel like all my Amplify are not gonna fit on this rack. So I feel like maybe I'd rather have it in the drawer, but I'm folding it to see. I'm going to separate it from shorts and leggings. And then again, over here is going to be like normal clothes, more clothes up there, coats, puffers.
Yes, actually, report was objections. It's not even worth moving. You know, it was more ideal. Weren't funny. Told me anyhow. Like, did you else use for dinner? Bye. Thank you. I believe all programming is quite incredible, yes. And it's very busy. Just like that would teach you some animals. Dinner's here.
Alright, so I've got the majority of my sneakers up here. So we've got my 9060s, 452s, 608s, and then some other sneakers back there. I've got a few more that I have to put, and then quite a bit of boots. I'm gonna put my suitcase right there, maybe more shoes over here. But yeah, this is the little update. Alright, so the closet is finally done. So over here we have shoes, and then I'll probably end up putting extra storage bins right there for other clothes. Shoes down here, these are coats, and then shirts and jackets, and then two-piece sets and dresses and skirts, and then sweatpants, more shoes, purses, more purses, and then more shoes that will probably end up getting filled. And then pajamas, Alpha Elite Auras, just kind of like leftover stuff that didn't fit. And then these are sports bras. And then over here are all my sweatshirts, more sweatshirts, and then leggings, shorts, tops. Just filling more space, like jeans, BUFFBUNNY bag, skirt, gym bag, and then this is bins for bathing suits, and then the step. And then we've got more jackets over here, some jumpsuits under here, and then sweats. And then we have all my Alpha Elite Amplify leggings, and then my Alpha Elite Amplify shorts. And then this drawer is kind of messy, but it's like all my Amplify tops. But this is the final look. Very colorful for spring and summer. There's probably more later that I'll find that I have to put in here and make more room, but I'm very happy.